What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be talking about this 2007 Ford Explorer. It came to my garage yesterday on a towing truck because it didn't start all of a sudden. It was a daily driver for one of my people, but it's just all of a sudden he went to start it the next morning. It just didn't want to crank. So when it came here, I noticed they got a brand new battery right here. And next I checked all the fuses here under the hood, and there's another fuse box under the steering wheel. I checked it too. All of the fuses good, all the relays are good, but the ignition coil is not getting power whenever you put the key on the on position, the run position. And the starter down there, it doesn't get a signal either. So when I went inside the truck, when it first came here, you put the key, there's no sounds, no dashboard, no cluster comes on. The security lights keeps blinking like once in a second. And it's like if you don't have the key on, only the accessories work, but not starting. So all I did is I put it on a on position, and then I went outside, I lugged my door back, and I came here, I disconnected the positive, and I just went, guys, enjoyed my lunch for like 20 minutes, and I came back, just connected it, went back inside the car while the key was still on, and you can hear that sound now. And I tried to start it, boom, starts right up. So yeah guys, that was just a security issue. So I just wanted to give you that video. It might help somebody, you know. Maybe you can run to this issue with these Fords. Just put the key on, disconnect the positive battery cable for like 20 or 30 minutes. I put the battery cable on and it just started right up. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it was helpful, and subscribe to my channel, like and comment, tell me what you think about the video, and we'll see you on the next video that will probably be on this Camry right here. You guys be safe.